Hello guys, so my 15 kg haul just arrived and let's see what we got. By the way, don't forget that all my items are my spreadsheet. Make sure to check that out. The first pair that I got are these Asics. I love this simple colorway. They go perfectly with any fit and they are super comfortable. Next thing, I got some essential shorts. As you can see, this colorway is pretty different than the normal ones. They are true to size and they look so clean. Next thing, I got myself the CPFM Air Forces. It is crazy design. I don't know what to say about them. They are some simple, clean white shoes. Next thing, I got myself these Rude shorts. One thing that I don't like are these metal strings. Whenever you jump or do something, they will go up to your face and that hurts as fuck, man.